Welcome back to Learning DIY. I love making videos for you guys, and there was a time I was fairly tech savvy. I'm not awful now, but I'm not great. So I don't remember a lot of stuff. So I just ran out of space on my hard drive on my PC. So I'm going to go ahead and create a system image that I can transfer from an external hard drive back onto a new solid state hard drive in my PC. So I'm actually watching Dave's Tech Rescue on YouTube on how to create the system image, that includes your operating system and everything, just restores everything as if it was your computer as it stands. The image will go onto the external hard drive that I'm going to unbox for you, and then we'll go through the install of the solid state drive, which I've watched another YouTube video for. So I'm learning to DIY while you're learning to DIY. Even though I kind of understand it, I used to kind of build PCs from bare bones systems and used to do that sort of thing. I know this is not building stuff and tool unboxing and that sort of thing, but I'm learning to DIY everything that has to do with being a homeowner, which includes your data. You can see that. Do you see that behind me? That doorway with that stencil work? Yeah, that's from the previous owner. I'm in my basement office that is kind of serving for right now. Part of getting this house together and updating it is getting rid of things like that. So if you see me making videos and see that on the walls in the background, you know I'm filming something from my office, which is actually through a doorway to my little workshop. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get started with an unboxing here. So my desk is a mess. Obviously I've been doing lots of stuff here, making labels and charging batteries and all sorts of things, but I chose the Western Digital black 4 terabyte drive. My system is a 2 terabyte drive, so this should be double what I need, but also I'll be able to offload all of the videos that I've created for you guys and for myself, and photos and anything else, in addition to having a system image onto this hard drive, which will be great. And of course, once we transfer the system image back to the new hard drive, I will create a new system image because it will include a much larger drive in the system image. It'll expect different things. So at least I think that's the way that works. So let's go ahead and unbox the external hard drive. Okay, this should be fairly straightforward. Hard drives come in many different sizes. I recommend Newegg or Prime Day. If you're ordering from Amazon, wait for Prime Day or back to school specials if you're getting your hard drive. Any other time, compare Newegg.com to Amazon, and even Best Buy has great deals on external hard drives, internal hard drives, that sort of thing. Okay, it looks like it does come. It has with a special connection to the hard drive. Looks like several pins. Much more data transfer is going to take place with that many pins than a standard USB, USB-C, any other kind of connection. So it's a specialized connection, and it may even be proprietary to Western Digital. So we'll see how how that works. Wow, this looks like this looks like Fort Knox here. That's pretty cool. And it is a game drive. Okay, that means it's super fast. So if I need to, I can transfer a lot of my content to this drive and just leave it hooked up externally after I install the internal drive. But basically, the connection, if you can see that, the connection for the, I don't know if you can see it, the connection for the special connector, which is right here. You can see the pins there. It's going to be right here. We're going to plug that in, and we will plug that into our PC with the standard USB-A, and which is, you know, standard, and it'll automatically detect, and we'll go through the I'll go through the process of making a system image. Once we've created a system image, I'll tell you how it went and how the Western Digital Black game drive 4 terabyte performed. Thanks.